In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the tDCS, tACS, tRNS units in manual mode in NeuroField64. Okay, so I've loaded up my my program here. I have two tDCS units connected along with two X3000s and a Q20. So I'm going to select my patient, and you need to select a patient, and you need to click on Select Patient and Continue. You notice on the left side of the screen the tACS, DCS button is not clickable. It's grayed out. And that's because we need to tell NeuroField what's actually connected to the computer and what you want to use. Now, NeuroField knows there's two tDCS units on the machine, but it doesn't know if you want to use both of them. So you do need to enable them. I'm going to click on Enable Primary, Enable Secondary. And then you don't need to necessarily pick sites, but you can if you want to. And then we're going to go down here, pick sites, and then click on Select, Save, Stim, and Continue. Now, NeuroField's telling you you need to pick a protocol to continue. That's okay. Just click OK. Now, on the left side here, once you do that setup for your stim units, you'll see the tACS, DCS unit button is now selectable. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to open up this manual control user interface. Again, this is set up for two units. So what you need to do here is you'll see primary current stim and secondary current stim tabs here. So what you want to do is select your waveform on the primary unit. You can have them doing different things. I want to say sine wave for the first one. And then these sliders become active. You can use the sliders and set them to a frequency along with the voltage, or you can click on Show Spin and actually put the numbers in for what you want to give. I'm going to use the sliders, and I'm going to set it to, say, 30 hertz, somewhere around there, and around 1 milliamp. So that's how I set up my primary. And then the secondary, I'm going to say I want a square wave, and I click on Continuous Square. And then I'm going to say I want 20 hertz a square wave at 1 point whatever milliamps. And so once I have them set up the way I want to, all I need to do is start them. So I'm going to click on Start Secondary, and then I'm going to click on Start Primary, and then I'm going to start my scans. And there you go. You can modify these on the fly. As they're going along, you can change the frequencies. So this is my one unit here. Let's change it to something really slow. And if I want to, I can slow it down quite a bit. And then I can raise the amplitudes as I go along. And I can do that for both units. I believe I can change my my waveform on the fly. So I'm going to try RNS low, and then stop it and start it, and there it goes. And now we're set up. Random noise, you do set you can set the frequency for the top end of the noise, which is pretty powerful, and random noise is kind of like a dehabituator. It will decouple and destabilize the system. So it's a way to get the brain to get ready for a linear treatment. Okay, that's how you use the random control in NeuroField64.